Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've just found a brand new niche on TikTok that is exploding right now. This niche will get you tons of views, build your following fast, and best of all, you'll start making money in no time. Today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create these videos for free using AI tools that are super simple to use. And don't worry, these AI-generated videos are completely monetizable on TikTok, so you can start cashing in while building your creative empire. Now, if you're ready to tap into the latest trend and go viral on TikTok, stay tuned, because I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos, and it won't cost you a penny. We're talking about free AI tools that handle everything from script writing to editing and more. So take some notes, because this could be a game changer for your TikTok career. But before we dive in, let me show you a quick sample of the kind of content we'll be creating.
A man calls his son in New York and says, "I hate to ruin your day, but I have to tell you that your mother and I are divorcing. 45 years of misery is enough." The son screams, "Dad, what are you talking about?" His father replies, "We can't stand the sight of each other."
All right, let's jump right in. The first thing we need is a short, engaging story for our video. A story that's either funny, educational, or a mix of both, to really grab attention. Now, there are a couple of ways you can do this. If you're looking for pre-written stories, Pinterest is an absolute goldmine for that. Head over to Pinterest, type in the kind of story you want, and you'll find tons of options. But for this video, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our story. Simply head over to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a 30-second funny or educational story. You can be as specific as you want. And ChatGPT will generate a fresh original story within seconds. Once you've got your story, you're ready to move on to the next phase of creating your viral video. All right, now that we have our story, it's time to transform it into voiceover. This will add that extra layer of engagement to make your TikTok video really stand out. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs. It's perfect for creating high-quality voiceovers in no time, and trust me, it's way easier than you might think. Open up your browser and head over to 11labs.io. Once you're there, click on the Get Started and set up your account. If you already have one, great, just log in. This tool is a game changer. You can create a voiceover that sounds natural and professional. Next, let's head back to ChatGPT, where our story was generated. Simply copy the story, then hop back over to 11 Labs and paste it right into the speech synthesis box. Now click on the Voices section and select from the wide range of voices available and pick the one that best suits the tone of your video. Once you've picked your voice, just hit Generate and give it a moment for 11 Labs to work its magic. And voila, your voiceover is ready to go. You can now download it straight to your device, and you've got a professional-sounding voiceover without having to record anything yourself. All right, now that we've gotten our voiceover, it's time to add some visuals to really elevate our TikTok video. We want something captivating in the background, something that will keep our viewers' eyes glued to the screen. For this, we'll be sourcing our background video directly from TikTok itself. Open up TikTok and in the search bar type in relaxing videos, and you'll find an endless stream of peaceful, visually stunning clips that can serve as the perfect background for your voiceover. Take your time to browse through the videos and choose one that really stands out. Once you've found the perfect background video, go ahead and copy the link of the video. Next, open up your browser and search for Download TikTok Videos. Click on the first result, and it will take you to a simple interface where you can paste the TikTok video link that you just copied. Paste it into the designated box and click on Download. Select Download in HD. This will ensure your video is as clear and visually appealing as possible. Within seconds, the video will be downloaded directly to your device. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to help the channel grow. It really means a lot and keeps the content coming. Now let's kick things up a notch. With need to add some background music, music has a way of instantly making your video more engaging. It sets the mood, complements your voiceover, and keeps viewers hooked all the way through, and we're going to use free, non-copyrighted music, so there's no need to worry about any legal issues when uploading your content to TikTok. For this, we're going to use Streambeats, an incredible platform that offers a wide range of free, non-copyrighted music for creators like you and me. Open up your browser and head to streambeats.com. Once you're there, click on Download Track Files, and you'll be taken to a library full of albums, all featuring completely free music that's ready for you to use. You'll find a wide variety of genres, from lo-fi and chill beats to cinematic music that can add an epic feel to your video. Take your time to explore. Listen to different tracks to see which one resonates with the vibe you want for your video. Once you've found the perfect track, simply click to download it to your device. The beauty of using Stream Beats is that it's totally free and you can use it in your TikTok, YouTube, or any social media videos without worrying about strikes or takedowns. Now that we've got our voiceover, background video, and music all set, it's time for the final step, editing everything together. And for this, we're going to use CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing app that makes the whole process super easy. Head over to CapCut, click on New Project, and import the background video we downloaded from TikTok. Once that's in, adjust the aspect ratio to fit the platform you're creating for whether it's TikTok's vertical format or a horizontal layout for YouTube. Next, click on Audio and import the voiceover we generated from 11 Labs. Then mute the original sound on the background video so it doesn't clash with our voiceover. Listen through the voiceover and cut out any empty spaces or awkward pauses to keep everything flowing smoothly. Now let's add the background music we got from Stream Beats. Click on Audio and import the track, but make sure to reduce the volume so that it complements the voiceover instead of overpowering it. To really make your video stand out, you can add some cool video effects. CapCut has a ton of options, so experiment with different effects until you find the ones that give your video that extra flair. This is where you can get creative and give your video a unique touch. Next, it's time to add captions to make your content even more engaging. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Pick the caption template that fits your style. Click on Generate and let CapCut automatically generate captions based on your voiceover. In just a few minutes, your captions will be ready. You can also customize the font, size, and color to match your video's vibe. Once everything looks just right and you're happy with the final result, click on Export, then increase the resolution to 4K for the best possible quality, and download the video. And that's it. Let's take a look at the final result.
Once upon a time, a turtle decided he was tired of being slow, so he bought a pair of rocket shoes online and strapping them on. He zoomed past the hares, squirrels, and even an airplane. But just as he was celebrating his newfound speed, he realized he didn't know how to stop. The turtle ended up in space, waving at the moon and thinking, well, at least there's no traffic up here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know what you think about the video.